Hey YouTubers, millionaires, multimillionaires, future millionaires. My name is Ali. On this channel we talk about making money online. If this is something you're interested in, click that subscribe button and continue on watching. The offer that I want to talk about today is pretty incredible. I've been going at this for about a month right now. It's called PWA, Partner with Anthony. And what's really cool about this offer right here, it teaches you how to do affiliate marketing. It teaches you how to do traffic. It offers everything. It shows you how to set up your autoresponder. Um, he also gives you pre-built. Excuse me, guys, one second. Hey, what's up? Yeah. Okay. Um, fuck. Um, I remember writing it down somewhere or emailing it or doing something. Yeah, yeah. Let me think here. Let me think. Let me think. Um, hang on a second. I was just trying. I was recording a video. I have to pause. Hello, guys. I'm back. Sorry, I had to pause for a quick interruption. But anyway, going back to what I was saying earlier with the PWA offer, partner with Anthony. I been going at it for a few months right now, and it's absolutely incredible training. I have learned quite a bit, and Anthony has made over $100 million doing affiliate marketing, so he's very well knowledgeable in that field. And on a scale of 1 to 10, I would give this, I would rate this at 9.5. And the only way I would give it 10 if Anthony was sitting right next to me doing the training, which I know I'm not going to be able to afford that. But anyway, what I wanted to show you guys here about this um, um, affiliate marketing training, for those of you guys that want to ditch 9 to 5 and work from home, this is a great alternative. Um, oh God, I'm gonna have to pause again, guys. I'll be right back. Give me 1 second. Sorry about that. Sorry about that, guys. Anyway, going back to what I was saying, um, what's really incredible about this program, it'll actually teach you how to do traffic. That's how powerful this program is. And you get to have all this for only $7 a month, or you have the option of paying $97 one time, and you'll have lifetime access to this incredible program. Anthony knows everything there is, everything is needed to become successful, being an affiliate marketer or digital marketer. Um, in this training, you learn how to do solo ad, solo ads, traffic. You can do social media traffic. He breaks it down into four different type of traffic: organic and paid campaigns. So all that's explained to you. The amount of training that's this um, course um, have is absolutely incredible. It definitely pack a punch. It's a lot of value, a lot of incredible, valuable information that you can definitely utilize and implement right away. Um, he uses ClickFunnels for Page Builder, and he also gives you access to pre-built funnels that he uses himself to promote his product. And with this program also, what's really cool about it, you learn how to promote Partner with Anthony program, which allows you to get several recurring commissions, or you could go out and promote other product also using the training that you get in this course, which is very powerful. There's no fluff or BS in this program. It's straightforward. Anthony's very focused on how he does the training, and I'm very impressed um, by the quality that he delivers in this training. Um, Basically, you have several sessions over here. Like say, for example, in session one, you get to do um, commission account, learn how the commission works. Biggest reason people fail are Register for Success, Connection Live. There's a lot of different software that Anthony offers in his ecosystem, which he allows you to promote these offers, and they're all high tickets. By the way, it's not your average JVZoo and ClickBank and all these $10, $20 commission. Those are all high ticket, and they're all recurring commission. And you can actually have access to this for $7 a month. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. He puts a lot of time, a lot of thought, a lot of energy into this training. He discusses everything that is required to become successful um, working from home. And I have nothing but good things to say about it. I've been going at this for, like I told you guys, about a month. And the training has been pretty incredible. I do want to mention something that's really important. Um, when you come in and buy this course, um, hold on one second, guys. I'm trying to see how many minutes we got here. When you come in and buy this course, you have to buy three tools that are very necessary to follow along with this course, which is your ClickFunnels, your tracking software, and your autoresponder. And Anthony um, shows you how to set up your autoresponder. He gives you free funnels. He shows you how to build your own funnels. He shows you how to do split testing. He doesn't leave any stone unturned. He explains everything thoroughly with this training. I highly, highly, highly recommend this training. If you guys are interested, the link's going to be below. If you find this to be not what you're looking for, he's willing to give you your money back. Um, 30-day money back guarantee, no question asked. But I have been going at it for quite a while now, and I'm 100% sure that it's going to be the best training for the money. I mean, you get so much value for $7 a month. You have access to everything here. This is the full package. Everything is in there for you, from funnels to setting up an autoresponder to doing your tracking. So he explains everything in details. It's really impressive training. And I have purchased a lot of courses in the past, and I did not resonate with the way certain people teach their courses. They just didn't click with me. And with Anthony, I never had any problem. He actually takes the time to explain everything um, step by step, over the shoulder, and you get to see everything done right in front of you, and you can just implement everything as you go, and you will see results immediately, because I am seeing a lot of results already. I don't have nothing but good things to say about this training. If you guys are interested, again, the link is going to be below. And also, one thing I want to mention, if you are new to my channel and you're interested in making money online videos, um, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. If you have any questions, leave them below. And there's one little note that I want to add on here. Hang on, guys. Just give me 1 second. The most important thing that I want to talk about is um, the shiny object syndrome, which we're all guilty of. So instead of you having to jump from one thing to another and just waste tons of money, this is a great place to start. If you're a newbie or if you're a seasoned marketer, this will has a lot of value that you can implement in your business to scale up to a higher level, 20, 30, 40x, however whatever it is that you basically, sky's the limit. You can control that on your the harder you work, the more energy you put into this, the more money it's going to pay you back, and eventually it's going to supplement your 9 to 5 income, and you'll be able to quit and start doing this full-time from home. Right now, if you have an hour or two a day, you can excuse me, follow along with this training, and you're going to see um, incredible results immediately. I wrote something here a couple days ago. I don't know where it is. Not a big deal. Um, what else do I want to say? So as you guys can see, you have a bunch of sessions over here, and each session has several modules in it. He talks about a success story here. Money is important. The ecosystem explained, expanding your ecosystem. Quick recap. He explains everything thoroughly. If you come down here to where like things start taking off, like in session 9, for example, success has no shortcut. Anthony always explained no shortcut. You have to take the time to do the all the necessary steps in order for you to build a solid foundation to start a successful business. Uh, Create your own opt-in page. He shows you how to do that. He walks you through how to do that step by step. Create split test links. He shows you how to do that also. Send a broadcast email using your new split test link. It's really really amazing. I got nothing but good things to say about this training. It's definitely incredible. And the most important thing is, excuse me, I apologize, is learning how to do traffic. And as we all know, traffic is the key to make any business successful. You could have the most incredible business in the world, but if you don't have eyeballs and traffic and people looking at your offer and purchasing the offer, basically your business is going to die quickly. But with the training that you have over here, you have access to everything. That's absolutely incredible. Um, The link's going to be in the description one more time. I want to remind you guys, you can go with the $7 a month, or you can go with the $97 and have a lifetime access to this incredible training. Um, what else do I have to say? 22 is going to be here in a couple days. 2022 is going to be here in a couple days. Let's kick it off with a good start. And I believe with all of my heart, this program will get you there. If you implement everything this training shows you, and you follow it step by step, before you know it, you'll be able to quit your 9 to 5 and work whenever you want, go on vacations, whatever you want, take care of your family, take care of your kids, your wife, your people, the loved ones that you have. When you have um, financial freedom, you also have time freedom. So you'll be able to vacation and do a lot of um, spend a lot of quality time with the people that you love, or your family, or whoever it is that you hang out with. What else do I have to say here? Pretty much I'm done. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and share this video. Let's, if you know someone that might be interested in this type of training, share this video with them, and help them get out of debt, and help them start off the new year on a good foot, or a good start. Um, if you actually start with this program today, which is 12/10/21, and you would go solid for about January 10th, which is exactly 30 days from now, your life will change dramatically. Dramatically. You're going to be getting, Anthony shows you how by promoting his product over here, how you're going to get recurring commission, how to get high ticket commission, and it's everything you need to become successful. When you go to do promote offers on JBZoo or ClickBank and many others, Warrior Plus, you will see that these offers are not stable. They're not solid offers. I've had that happen to me several times when I'm promoting a certain offer, and after several months or a year, that offer get pulled off because they just cancel the offer because they realize it's not a legitimate offer, and they don't want people to get in trouble promoting something that's not legitimate. If you want something that's legitimate, that's going to put money in your pocket, this is going to be an incredible option. I cannot stress how incredible the training is. There's so much to learn, and Anthony shows you how to do everything step by step. You guys have a wonderful day, and wish you guys um, the best. And I will see you on the inside. The link's going to be in the description. Um, One thing I want to mention before I go, tick the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload make money online content, if this is something you're interested in. And best of luck, and I will see you guys on the inside. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.